Hello everybody, Erev Pesach! My balabusta drove me crazy. So she threw me out of her kitchen. So I went to AliExpress, ordered some screws and some outer, and built for her the folding Erev Pesach kitchen. Very simple to operate. First of all, open this latch. Lift up this wing. Same in this side. Open. Get out. Next one. Surprise. Open this one. Turn over this liquid. Came over here and start. Oi, the ham. So for now, we're ready for our hot boker of Erev Pesach. Very simple. Take this one. This is finjan made special for Amalia. Put over there. Take out this zatov. And then chalachat. And now we're ready. No. This is the last one. And over this is the last one. And now we are ready for hot boker. After we finish our hot boker, fold it in.